In a coastal town so gray, Ella worked where waters play. Lucas came with shadows long, lost in art where he belonged. Stormy night, their paths aligned. In the dark, a spark to find. A love was born, so deep, so true, but fate had plans they never knew. Through the storm and the sea, chasing ghosts of what could be. A secret's curse, a treasure's plea, bound by love and tragedy. Lucas found a journal old, stories of the past untold. Ella joined the quest so grand, in the search for hidden land. Clues and ruins, danger near, haunted by a phantom's fear. Love and shadows, truth entwined, through the maze of fate they'd find. Through the storm and the sea, chasing ghosts of what could be. A secret's curse, a treasure's plea, bound by love and tragedy. Clues and ruins, danger near, haunted by a phantom's fear. Love and shadows, truth entwined, through the maze of fate they find. Through the storm and the sea, chasing ghosts of what could be. A secret's curse, a treasure's plea, bound by love and tragedy. When the storm broke, fate revealed, sacrifices made, wounds healed. Lucas fought love in his eyes, in the tempest he made his sacrifice. Through the storm and the sea, chasing ghosts of what could be. A secret's curse, a treasure's plea, bound by love and tragedy. Ella's tears, the town's lament, a story of love, time well spent. In the waves and the breeze lives a tale of love and dreams. The town's lament, a story of love, time well spent. In the waves and the breeze lives a tale of love and dreams.